Carmel area, and welcome to MCA Live. I'm Natasha Nevis.
And I'm Miranda Moser. Here's today's announcements. Today is Wednesday, March 11th, day 5. The PSAT tutoring scheduled for today is 7th grade math in room 110 with Mr. Persing and 8th grade science in room 229 with Mr. Wagner. There is musical rehearsal all week after school with dance at 2:30 and full cast rehearsal at 5:30. Reserved tickets for the show are on sale in the athletic office. Cost is $10. Speaking and writing students are reminded their group presentations are scheduled for today, and students should be ready to present. The next peer mediation activity is this Thursday, March 12th from 5 to 6 p.m. in the cafeteria. All marching band members going on this year's band trip are reminded to sign up for a room in the band room. Any junior high track and field candidate that did not get a clothing order can pick one up in the principal's office. Chess Club is reorganizing for any student who wants to play or learn how to play chess. All skill levels are welcome, and the first meeting is Thursday after school in room 121. The Chem Club will meet Monday, March 16th after school in room 302. Trio Upward Bound is accepting new members and meets Monday and Tuesdays after school in room 203. See Mr. Cause for more information. A limited number of tornado-style tumblers are available in Mrs. Check's room 222 for $15. Sales support the senior class. Caring for Kids t-shirt order forms are available in the high school and attendance offices. Cost is $10 to $20. Deadline to order is this Friday. And here's today's news. Students in Ms. Tammy Michaels' Chemistry 2 classes performed an experiment investigating acids and bases. Baking soda was added to fruit and observations were made on the chemical reactions that occurred. Students found that the powder would dissolve into the fruit, releasing bubbles. Next, litmus paper was put into vinegar and then baking soda was added on top, affecting the color and again creating bubbles. If the strip turned red, this indicated the fruit was an acid. If it turned blue, it indicated it was a base. Part 2 to this lab had students discovering what gases are given off when different substances dissolve in acid. Acidic acid mixed with baking soda in a vial to produce carbon dioxide, which put out a match when stuck inside the vial. Next, hydrogen chloride mixed with magnesium in another vial, producing hydrogen gas, causing, to the students' delight, a barking sound followed by a small flame shooting out of the vial. By inserting the match into the vials, students were able to prove what gas was formed based on the reaction. When asked about the relevance of this experiment, Mrs. Michaels said, "Acids and bases are in everyday life. This lab teaches students what happens when these substances combine, which will lead into their next lesson on acid erosion and acid rain." Not only was this an interesting lab to observe, but also a great way to gain a better understanding of the substances in everyday life and how they react to each other. Upperclassmen have already started scheduling, and here at MCA, our school offers advanced placement courses in 5 different subjects: calculus, literature, biology, chemistry, and European history. Besides the added GPA weight, there are many benefits to taking AP classes and the AP exam. According to collegeboard.org, scheduling these courses lets universities know that you are experienced in that subject and serious about your college future. Another perk is the potential college credit students can earn with a passing score. Qualifying scores also help students advance straight to the higher level college classes, skipping basic intro or gen ed requirements, also allowing students to take other exciting electives. Guidance counselor Mrs. Ann Darrop said, "The biggest advantages to taking the AP test is the potential for college credit, along with benefits for experiencing a college level exam. Exams come with a fee, but many of our students may qualify for a reduced rate. So before you decide to dismiss these classes or the exams, talk with your AP teachers and discuss all the benefits." The Pennsylvania School Public Relations Association will award 3 $1,000 one-year scholarships to 3 deserving seniors looking to pursue a career in the communications field. All candidates must have maintained a 3.0 GPA and must have been accepted to a 2 or 4-year college, vocational technical school, or other institution of higher learning. Application information is available in the guidance office, and the deadline to apply is this Friday, March 13th. We'll be right back after the weather.
MCA Reading Club has announced their officers: President Dominic Morano, Vice President Caitlin Curran, Secretary Kayla Witt, Treasurer Christian Kelly, and the club's webmaster is Kevin Nolter, and the Sergeant of Arms are Miranda Moser, Natasha Nevis, and Malia Edwards. The Reading Club is a new club at MCA advised by Mrs. Shauna Hayden and Mrs. Diane Yoder. The club is currently holding a book drive. They discuss popular novels and recently read to MCA elementary students. Congratulations to the officers and good luck this newly formed club. Speaking of the Reading Club, they are currently hosting a book drive for the month of March and need your help. Everyone is encouraged to donate new or gently used books. The books will be used in classroom libraries for activity periods of free time reading. Books are to be dropped off in rooms 109 or 114. For every bag of books a student brings, they will receive a homework pass created by the school-wide Positive Behavior Program. The Reading Club hopes to stress the importance of reading, and it's a good reward for students to give back to their school. For more information about the book drive or Reading Club, see club advisors, Mrs. Hayden or Mrs. Yoder. Starting this week after school, PSAT tutoring for 7th and 8th grade students will be held Tuesdays through Thursdays from 2:30 to 3:30. These sessions are a great opportunity for students to work on their strengths and weaknesses in math, language arts, and science. PSSA testing begins on April 13th, which is only 5 short weeks away. As an extra incentive for attending and participating, students will be given tickets for a chance at the grand prize of a 16-gigabyte Apple iPod Touch. Daily and weekly prizes will also be awarded to the attendees. Sessions will be held as follows: 7th grade language arts with Mr. Cuddick in room 104, and 8th grade math with Mr. Mansky in room 123 on Tuesdays. 7th grade math with Mr. Persing in room 110, and 8th grade science with Mr. Wagner in room 229 on Wednesdays. And finally, 8th grade language arts with Ms. Yoder every Thursday in room 114. This is an opportunity to not only do better on PSSAs, but also to earn a chance to win a great prize. Students must, however, arrange their own transportation. And for today's lunch, Salisbury steak with buttered noodles, winter blend veggies, applesauce. And for tomorrow's breakfast, scrambled eggs with toast, assorted bagels with cream cheese, whole grain cereal with toast, assorted bagels, and 100% juice.
That's all the news for today.
But it's already Wednesday,
And we're halfway through the week.
so have a wonderful Wednesday, MCA.